Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's February the 8th, 2023. We're going to talk about Meta today. I want to do a quick video to show you how institutions and smart money is coming through and buying up a stock. I may not do a price prediction for Meta today, but I really wanted you all to see how you can tell if a market is still bullish and if the market is still buying more than they are selling. So I did a video in Meta on the 3rd of February, 2023. And I wanted us to see if price was going to go down in Meta following that earnings release that they did and a monumental move up that we saw. And you guys can tell, I'm going to zoom in on the chart right here. And the last couple of days into the market in Meta, you guys can tell how price is holding its weight. Like, it's not trending down. It's not making lower lows. It's not making higher lows. The price is staying stagnant in between $200 and $180. Why would that be? Especially if you've seen volume of this magnitude. Why would price still hold that level? There's only two things that can keep a market price up or down. There's only two things that can move price, and it's buying and selling. So if price in Meta over the last 4 trading days has not descended in price, if it hasn't gone down, if the value of the stock hasn't gone down, then the only logical choice would be for market buyers to be there. And they're there buying Meta. If the buyers were not interested in Meta, guarantee price will not be looking the way that it's been the last 4 days, right? So currently, as the situation stands right now, buyers are in the market in Meta. Now, like I told you, I'm not going to put on a price prediction because I want to give it more time. I want them to continue to put the cash on the table, because once people actually placate their bias, they cannot take it back. And it's been 4 days. Now, within those 4 days, there's been selling, but there's also been enough weight, enough equal weight on the opposite side of people buying it too. Okay. So as of right now, if I were to pick a side between which side of the market is winning in Meta, it will be the buyers, especially following that massive move higher on the 2nd of February. I'm just saying. So this is how you guys can dissect the market without using technical indicators, without no CCIs, no RSIs, no MACDs, no stochastics. Those particular indicators cannot give you this information. That's why it's so important for you to ingest and understand the language of the markets. Price bars and volume is the language. It tells us what everyone has been up to. It tells us what their plan is, what's their campaign, what they're trying to do. Whether you're the mom and pop retail trader, investor, or you're the biggest hedge fund in the market, we can see what you're up to. Now, can we actually put a pinpoint on who's doing it? Like, is it Kathy Woods, or is it Bill Ackman, or is it Warren Buffett? Like, no, we can't do that. But from a general sense, we can see what the market is trying to do. And as of right now in Meta, buyers are trying to hold the market. That's it. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. You guys can even take a look at the different time frames too, to see if that's still the case, right? So here it is. We have 8 hours and 57 minutes left in Meta, right? And if this 2-day price bar closed higher than the previous two days, that gives us more confirmation that buyers are here. So the idea would still be for us to look for price to go up in Meta. I'm just here to tell you that straight. The buyers are still aiming to push price up. But we also see that $200 is resistance, right? So like, if you're trying to get a surefire confirmation that buyers are there, it would be to see price break 200. That would give you confirmation that the market has a lot higher to move. Okay. So what I suspect the market in Meta is going to do is going to continue to trade within that range, 180 to 200. And if we continue to see the strength that we're seeing into the market now in Meta, I'll come back in and do another prediction, looking for the price to go up. But as of right now, that's what it looked like. Price in Meta is trying to go higher. Okay. So like I said, No prediction today, but if I were to put one down, it would be for a market move to go up. Okay. So I'm done. Everyone who is new, welcome to the channel. I try to give y'all a different viewpoint, different perspective as to how you can read the markets. So how you guys can tell who's winning. Is it the buyers or the sellers at any particular moment in time? So if you guys appreciate the videos and the content, I would ask that you all come and join me in this community. Hit that like button, and also subscribe. I make it in a simplistic way because I've learned that the market doesn't have to be complicated. You don't have to have 6, 7, 8 indicators on your chart to figure out, okay, where's the next price move going to be, because price bars and volume already tells you that. So that's what I'm thinking right now, but I'm going to let the market continue to work out the kinks for Meta, but it looks pretty decent though. We'll see though. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.